Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks.
Bro, if you don't subscribe to My Legacy Studios YouTube channel for AI tutorials, are you even evolving?
In this video, I'm going to show you how I use AI to create this Bigfoot video that you're seeing right here on the screen. Just a single prompt and just one single AI tool, you can be able to create this type of videos, monetize it on YouTube and start making money with it. Now, I saw this video on YouTube and it's trending all over YouTube, generating a lot of views. This is the original Bigfoot video that I'm talking about. Now, you can see so far this channel has uploaded 30 videos with 36,000 subscribers with just 30 videos. Now, when you look at this video so far, you will notice that in the last 30 days, this channel uploaded 23 videos. These are short videos and has generated over 1 million views with just 23 videos. Now, let's go through the entire video and analyze it. You will notice that most of these videos are under either 1 minute or within 1 minute. Now, look at this. This is just 1 minute 13 seconds. This is just 1 minute 5 seconds, 1 minute 21 seconds. They are short videos that you can create about 30 or 40 in a day. Now, you can see the first video for this channel was uploaded just 3 weeks ago, and so far this channel has generated over 36,000 subscribers with over 1 million views. What does this tell you? It tells you these type of videos are video that stands the chance of going viral. So grab it now and start making money with it. Now, when you look at this video, you see every 1 hour you have over 200 people watching this video. You have over 300 people watching this video, over 100 people watching this video. And then when you take a close look at the rest of the videos, all the videos are still trending on YouTube, right? So I just don't want to create any video or follow any trend without confirming whether these videos can be monetized on YouTube or not. So what I did was to check whether this channel is actually monetized on YouTube, and guess what? After checking on YT Large, it is confirmed that the Bigfoot channel, there's a name, is monetized within 3 weeks. Then I check on Social Blade how much this channel is making every month, and look at it. When you go through the analytics here, you will notice that this channel is making between $295 to $4,000 every month. This is a channel that is barely 1 month. It's already making this amount of money. So now in today's video, let me take you through the entire process so that you can start creating this type of videos, make money with it as soon as possible. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to start with my prompt. Anytime you're going to do anything with AI, you will need a prompt. So we are going to start with this prompt. So I'm going to copy this prompt like this. If you want me to share the prompt with you, make sure you watch the video to the end. Somewhere in this video, I'll tell you how you can have access to this prompt. What I'm going to do is to open to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. So now there's a prompt. Help me analyze this video and tell me what it's all about. So the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the video, one of the video link. So let's go back to the Bigfoot video and copy one. So I'm going to click on the share button like this and then click on the copy button, and then let's go back to ChatGPT and add the video link. Then I'm going to hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT. Okay, so ChatGPT has given me a summary of the entire video. Now, the reason why I asked ChatGPT to analyze this video for me is because I want ChatGPT to understand the kind of video I want to create. That is why I intentionally added the link and asked ChatGPT to analyze this for me. Now, I'm going to go in with the second prompt. So this is a second prompt. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and enter this prompt here. So this is the prompt I'm asking ChatGPT. Based on your analysis, can you create a cinematic and humorous video prompt? So you can see the details. I cannot read everything in this video. So I'm going to hit on the command button and wait for ChatGPT's response. Based on the analysis, you can see ChatGPT has also given me a detailed prompt to create this type of video. So now I'm going to go in with the next prompt. So this is the next prompt. Summarize the prompt and make it short for VO3. So I'm going to click on the command button. So now this is the prompt that GPT has given me. Now it's time for us to convert this prompt into a video. To do that, go to your browser and type VO3. Now you can see there are so many options. Do not choose the VO3 with Gemini. We are going to choose VO3 with Google DeepMind. So you're going to click on this one like this. If it's your first time trying Veo 3, you will first need to subscribe to it before you can start using it. So click on the Try Veo 3 button here to subscribe to it. it is not completely free. You have the trial version and then the pro version. But before you can even use the trial version, you need to enter some details of yours before you can start using it. So to have access to it for free for now, you need to enter your card details. So here you're going to click on the upgrade button like this to upgrade and choose the first option. So this is the first option. You choose it like this and then click on agree. So I'm going to click on credit debit card like this. Then here you're going to enter your details, your card number, every detail thing on your card that you need to enter here. You enter it and click on the save button. Then you can be able to have access to the free version of Veo 3. So now if you have already registered for it, all you have to do is to click on either try in Gemini or try in Flow. Now we are going to try in Flow. So click on the Flow button. Now here we are going to click on the create with Flow button like this. One thing I like about this AI is that it's not complicated to use at all. You can be able to use it without any skill at all. So all you have to do here is to click on new project and start creating your project. So here we are going to enter our prompt. So what's the prompt that we are going to enter here? The prompt ChatGPT generated for us. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So there's a prompt. So I'm going to copy the prompt like this and then go back to Flow and then paste my prompt here. Now bring your cursor to the top here and choose one of these options. So there are three options here: text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. For the ingredient to video, unless you're on the pro version before you can be able to have access. And the frame to video, you can use it, that is by converting your image to video. But sometimes you might have some challenges with this. So to be on the safer side, use the text to video. So we are going to click on text to video. Now bring your cursor here and click on the settings and choose the output. So for the output, we are going to choose 1. We want one generation per time. Then click on the model to choose one of these models. Now let me explain each of these models for you. The Veo 2 Fast doesn't come with audio, but the Veo 3 Fast comes with audio, and this one too apparently doesn't come with audio because you can see there's no better audio attached to it. So these are the models that comes with audio, but if you want the quality, it will take 100 credits, and if you're on the free plan like I am using the free plan, you are given 1000 credits. And so if you're using 100 credits per each generation, that means you can only use it to create just 10 generation. To be on the safer side, we are going to use a Veo 3 Fast. That will take 20 credits from the 1000 credit that we have. Now let's click on the command button and wait for it to generate for us. Let's go back to ChatGPT for the next prompt. So based on what I have watched so far, I have an idea of what I want to generate again, but I need to put it in prompts. So I'm asking ChatGPT to generate another prompt for me where the Bigfoot is running and holding a selfie stick, stopped by a stream and knelt down to drink some of the water, then said something funny. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So I'm going to copy this prompt and go back to Flow. Great, so our first animation has been generated for us. Let's see how it looks first before we go ahead with the second one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks.
So the next thing we are going to do is to enter our second prompt here and then hit on the command button and wait for the next animation. With this in mind, do you think we should try the third prompt? Let me know that in the comment section. I guess your answer is going to be yes. So let's try the third prompt before we end this video. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT. So I said I need another prompt where the Bigfoot is asking another white Bigfoot to subscribe to my Legacy Studio channel for more AI tutorials. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So I'm going to copy the third prompt and go back to Flow. Let's see what is happening here on the second one. So I think with the second one, it did not adhere to all the prompt because the prompt was too much. The actions were too much. That's why we didn't get the dialogue part. But I think it's okay. So now let's enter the next prompt and see what we are going to get. So now this is our third video. Let's see how it looks.
Bro, if you don't subscribe to my Legacy Studios YouTube channel for AI tutorials, are you even evolving? Bro.
Great.
Subscribe to my Legacy Studios YouTube channel for AI tutorials. Are you even evolving?
Great. So this is how easy it is to create this Bigfoot vlog videos that is trending all over YouTube. Now, what do you think about this? Are you already doing it? If you're not doing it, then start doing it before it becomes saturated on YouTube. Now, if you want to download a video to your computer, just hover around it like this and bring your cursor here and click on the download button and download it to your computer. Now, you can download it at GIF or with the original size or upscale it to 1080 pixels. So I'm going to choose the upscale. And one thing I like about it is that it will not take any credit from your credit. So you can see 0 credit. Now we are going to download the second one. This is the second one. I prefer to go with the original size and upscale it using my editing app. So I'm going to just click on the download button and download with the original size. And so now you see how easy it is to create this type of videos. Within just some few minutes you are done and you can start uploading these videos and start making money with it, right? All right, so now this is how you can have access to the prompt that I use in this particular video. I'll be leaving it in the pinned comment or in the description section of this video. Just tap on it and then copy all the prompt that I use in this particular video and start using it. If you also want to have access to previous prompt that I use on this channel, that will be in my Telegram community. The link is in the pinned comment section of this video and also in the description section of this video. Click on it to have access to all the prompts I have used in my previous video on this channel. Until then, watch the previous video I created on how to create AI generated music or with AI. I'll see you in the next video.
Bro, if you don't subscribe to My Legacy Studios YouTube channel for AI tutorials, are you even evolving?